Market leaders understand that intelligent factories heavily rely on the seamless flow of data. High-speed networks with large information bandwidths can be problematic even for the most experienced professionals. There's no room for process transparency when different data types travel different routes, follow separate technical standards, and make you miss out on the amazing potential that they bring when analyzed in a structured way. Change the game by taking advantage of CC-Link IETSN and its functionalities, which enable operating time reduction, synergy between various devices and communication cycles, and high-accuracy synchronization. It's a single universal network that generates timestamps for every piece of data, opening a new world of data processing and analytics for your company. Gain full control over your flow of data and improve your operations. Also, learn more about the game-changing characteristics of CC-Link ICTSN by visiting our website or YouTube channel and explore our definition of smart manufacturing.